man never said die. He always feels that he has a chance to win the game.
These are new mini blinds. There's Casey dancing for us.
Boom! At the buzzer. Boom!
Larry, I was figuring I won. Not everybody in the building knew who the ball was going to anyway. It's a close, and he has a chance to win. He's going to win that game.
Where's your pretty smile? There's Kirk. Hey, Kirk.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi, honey.
Go 5 acres.
Yeah, 10.
Get out on the 5 acres.
10.
What'd you say?
10.
Get out on the 5 acres.
10.
Where do we own that 10 acres?
Just a mile out.
Naples, Florida.
Yeah.
Where do we own that 10 acres?
A mile out.
Naples, Florida.
Kirky's favorite tape.
Rain anymore.
Is that it?
Put it in the rewinder. Let's see what we get.
Magic jump on my leg.
Don't be rough on who?
On my brother.
Oh. Be rough on my leg. Oh. That's better.
Oh, kanunkin on the noggins.
Ow! Oh, you want a pinch, huh? Is that what you want?
Okay, Cookie? Yeah. Ow. There.
There's her new blinds. I guess you can't see them real well.
Hi.
Hello, McFly. Is anybody home? McFly, hello. Look, it's hollow in there. I can hear the ocean. I can hear the ocean inside his ear.
I can hear it.
Look at this big moose.
I know.
I believe 7 years ago, I could hold him from here to here.
I can't believe it.
Everyone would dream of playing on him.
Kirk, sit up.
See your face, Peanuts.
Oh.
Yeah, you got Dan's face in the camera.
No.
This is a good one. Watch you get down. Get funky.
B for boo.
Whoosh!
No.
See that move?
That's nice, Casey. I might shut it off for. She sure likes to dance.
Flag! Drexler!
As soon as someone says
Cheekee.
Jam. Clyde. Oh, jam. Jam. Hey, jam. Here comes Clyde. Watch the magic. Oh!
Oh, not the butt. Yeah.
Come on, get out of the road. Let her dance. Whoa!
Get up there and dance with her, Kirk.
Whoa.
Should I go ahead and shut it off? New puppy. The kids just got her. They're in their rooms. Take a little close-up of her. Cheekee. 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 Oh. There's Casey. What do you think? What's this doggy's name?
Cheekee.
Cheekee?
I got the cheekee.
You got it, the Cheekee. She had 4 sisters and 2 brothers, and her mommy's name was Tootsie. She's stepping in her milk. Let me see your face, Cheeker.
That's not milk, is it?
Yeah, I put some milk in it for her. There she is.
Let's do a dance and she'll take me.
Okay, go ahead and do a dance, girls. Here, I'll shut it off. Hey, Cheek Cheek. Come here, puppy. Come here. Cheek Cheek. That's a good girl. Yes. Oh, hey, what a baby. Yeah.
Can I hold him?
Her. Hi, Cheek Cheek. Isn't she pretty? Okay, I'll take a picture, you guys.
No, it's still a winding.
She's sweet. Okay.
There's no ballet song. That's why you song. Like my new.
Hi, baby.
Oh, she's.
Where'd she go? She don't see you, probably.
Ow!
You okay?
Ow! Get the song
Hi, baby. Sitting on me. Okay, girls, I'm going to shut it off because I got to do dinner. Sleep, and I was just petting her on the belly, and she fell asleep again. Isn't she pretty? She's so tired. She's all worn out from playing with the kids. There she is. Hi, Cheekee. She's a Weston. A little Weston pup.
strong gate stuff.
guys.
What, the ball? It's fine. The ball? I never got to.
Casey never got to.
Oh, so. I'm getting there on it. We still got a lot to finish.
It takes a while, Sue.
There's the
We
puppies.
moved in
There's
when it wasn't
Tam.
done. It's
Let me
rough.
see
There's
Logie.
No carpet, no
Hi,
flooring.
Logie.
And, you know, right now where we're parking, it's like right in sand, so I'm like, all the sand and grass.
And how they're
is
stuck in the
all
corner.
over. And I can't wash bedspreads because
Can you get her?
Yeah. Don't trust it. So West got his old 10-year day.
Ooh, I better not look.
It's okay. It's okay.
Is it okay?
I'll be right back.
he's at
Let me. Come on, I want to get a picture. Hurry up. There he is. Come around this way so I can see your whole outfit.
I like it Halloween outfit. I'm gonna be an angel in the outfit. I love my dog.
You love your dog. Come back, Kirk. I missed you. Okay.
Baby.
You're going to be an angel for Halloween?
Yeah.
And you love your dog? There he is. Come around this way so I can get the whole outfit once. There you are. Turn around. Let me see the front of it. Let me see the front of it again. Who are you?
Where do you think I am?
G.I. Joe, but what's your name?
Duke.
Duke. Cool.
Oh, my little baby. We gave you basket.
Cool.
Yeah, we gave you basket.
Pretty puppy.
Yeah.
There he is with his guns and his knives and his Duke outfit.
Yeah.
G.I. Joe in it.
Yo.
Okay, I'm going to shut it off. Hi, puppy, puppy, puppy. Hi. Here's Kirky with the new hoop. Daddy put up for him. Let's make him a big shot here. Cool. All right. 2 points. Good one. Awesome. We just got it up yesterday. Pretty cool. Okay. Go ahead. Let's see you put in another one. I see her. Where's she at? Oh, there she is. Here comes Kirk.
I'm back. And the light ain't on.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Camera.
Is it still not on?
Yeah, now this. Now this.
It is.
Blinking. I know my dog's blinking.
Good one. Awesome. You like your hoop?
I like my dog. Unless he doesn't like me. Oh, some dog.
Take her out around the back, Case. Okay, one more basket, and I'm going to go in and make some lunch.
I put it on TV.
Oh, jeez.
I'm trying to make this shot.
Okay. All right.
Typical Sunday afternoon.
You just
The
put in
Barton Ranch.
10 hours of work.
This is it. I'm going to break the record.
Okay.
My record is 6 in a row. I'm going to break it right now.
Okay. There's one.
That's one. That's one. Right to me, Kirk. Oh, Rob!
He broke the camera, didn't break the record, though.
What do I look like?
All right,
Get out of
Sniffy.
there.
Doggy Case.
No, but you guess what?
Oh.
Every now and then.
Oh, did I get that on film?
Pop.
There it is.
Okay, I gotta watch Daddy. Just a minute,
Boom.
Case. You
One.
did one. There's
One.
Pup.
Then what?
Don't call her now. You'll be bopping her with that
Oh,
basketball.
get cold.
Kirk had to pump up his shoes.
Baby.
We can make one in a row.
Baby.
Here, come on, Kurt.
Oh, let me get a close-up. Oh, how pretty. I see her. I mean you, not that dog. That little Cheekee.
Oh!
Am I supposed to keep filming? I'm running out of film. Maybe I
One
should.
more chance. One more
All right.
chance.
All right.
You ready?
You'll never break it.
One.
Ooh, there's one.
Wappy, get him for me.
This baby.
Yeah.
Just one more chance.
Doggy,
All right.
get him
Come on,
for
Kurt.
me. Damn that dog. Baby, down
One.
doggy.
Come on.
Do doggy, do doggy. Hey.
One,
Doggy.
Two.
two,
Hey, doggy. Da, doggy.
three.
Kurt, throw it to me.
Baby.
3 in a row.
Throw it to me. Don't throw it to me like that.
Okay.
Oh. There's 4.
Oh, one more try.
All right.
No, 2 more tries. One more try.
Okay.
Mom, one
Hmm,
hand. Mom, one hand.
I see.
There's one.
1.
Come on, I got it now. I got it now. Ooh!
Maybe we'll practice after a week of practice.
Pause until I
Together and make it look like 6.
just shut it off until I hit number 5.
All right.
Come on.
Until you get a Christmas Eve.
3.